Hey everyone, Jim again, this time in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Well, technically Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, but regardless, I'm on Amtrak's Keystone line for a really special day, celebrating the reopening of full service here, thanks to, I'm going to say by now, another great investment in rail, courtesy of the bipartisan infrastructure law that President Biden signed in 2021. This latest project was originally supposed to take 2 years, replacing ties and ballast. But Amtrak did some clever scheduling. They pulled service away for a little bit to get this work done in a lot. 8 months. It's Exhibit A, proving that no matter how it's been done before or what we've gotten used to, America's passengers don't need to wait for decades to see real payoffs from our taxpayers' rail investments. Amtrak's project delivery team and PennDOT deserve our genuine gratitude for delivering vital improvements to an important rail line quickly enough to really make a difference for everyone who relies on this service. Accepting a little short-term disruption can get America's rail passengers more and better trains faster than ever before. And Keystone riders are going to benefit right away, not just from a smoother ride, but also from much better reliability. So congratulations to Amtrak, PennDOT, and everyone involved. They didn't settle for status quo thinking, and you don't have to settle either. We need more of this everywhere around the country, not less. When the time comes to speak up about all the great projects in the bipartisan infrastructure law, I hope everyone watching will call their members of Congress to let them know that America deserves nothing less than first-class infrastructure that's safe and fast and reliable. But for now, I hope I'll see you on the train.